We're going to do a little road test with this Uniden R3 radar detector. Within moments of plugging it in, it's come up with the time and it gives us an approximation of what speed we're doing. And this will pick up if we have some police officers in the area that are using their speed detection weaponry. So as you can see, we're driving past a police officer. It did not go off. They weren't firing at me. Probably if I was going faster, maybe they would have had a bit of a go at that. It's got the GPS locator in there, so it has a reasonable indication on how fast we're going. Hilariously, I think it's actually more accurate than my speedo, but it is one of the joys, because when you see the police officer, you look at your radar, you know? And when I look at my radar, I'm not looking at my speedo. So the best thing about this is it was telling me how fast I was going as we drove past that very nice police officer. No, the radar detectors are not illegal. There's a lot of people who say, oh, aren't they illegal? No, radar detectors are not illegal. Jammers are illegal. There is a benefit to this over a hideaway unit, and the benefit is we can take it out of this car and we can put it in another car if we're going on a bit of a road trip or we drive multiple cars. We do recommend running a mount in each vehicle because once they've been affixed on once, that is their best suction ever. Every time you have to take the mount off, which is why they've designed these so we can unclip it without doing that. And it is why this unit comes with a second mount. So I find a unit like this very simple to use. They call them plug and play for a very good reason. You plug it in, you go. And then every once in a while you pop in to see us or give us a call and just check that you've got the most up-to-date software and check that there hasn't been any updates or changes we need to make to any of the programming. Please do not adjust your own programming. You're always welcome to come in and see us for a quick checkup.